Our today's topic is on a person who encouraged you to achieve a goal. Describe a person who encouraged you to achieve a goal. Who this person is? What does this person encourage you to do? How did this person help? And explain why this encouragement helps you to achieve the goal. Although there are many people in my life who motivate me in any difficult situation, here I would like to talk about one person who encouraged me to achieve a goal. She is my teacher, Mrs. Smith. She always believed in me and inspired me to strive for excellence in my studies. Mrs. Smith encouraged me to participate in a science competition at school. Although I was initially hesitant and unsure of my abilities, she saw potential in me and urged me to give it a try. She helped me by providing extra study materials, guiding me through challenging concepts, and offering encouragement every step of the way. Mrs. Smith also took the time to mentor me personally, answering my questions and boosting my confidence. Her encouragement was crucial in boosting my confidence and motivation. Knowing that she believed in me gave me the courage to push myself harder and overcome any doubts or fears I had. Mrs. Smith always believed in me and supported me a lot, which helped me stay focused and determined to win the science competition. Her encouragement gave me the confidence to show what I know and do my best. Because of her, I was able to achieve my goal and succeed in the competition. Overall, Mrs. Smith's encouragement played a vital role in helping me achieve my goal. Her belief in me motivated me to work harder and persevere through challenges, ultimately leading to my success in the science competition. I am truly grateful for her support and guidance as it made a significant difference in my academic journey. Follow-up questions. 1. Do you think children are more likely to achieve their goals if they are encouraged? Yes, children are more likely to attain their goals if they are motivated by their parents, teachers, or other caregivers. Encouragement boosts their confidence and motivation, making them more determined to succeed. 2. What should parents do if their children do not want to study? If children are not interested in studying, parents can try to understand the reason behind their lack of interest. They can encourage their children by making study more enjoyable, setting achievable goals, and providing support and guidance. 3. Who do you think should set goals for children? In my opinion, both parents and teachers can play a role in setting goals for children. It's important for children to have input in their goal-setting process, as it helps them take ownership of their achievements. 4. Who plays a more important role in children's education? Parents or teachers? Both parents and teachers play crucial roles in children's education. Parents provide support and guidance at home, while teachers offer knowledge and instruction in school. It's a collaborative effort between the two to ensure children receive a well-rounded education. 5. Is money the only motivation for people to work hard? No, money is not the mere motivation for people to work hard. While it's important for meeting basic needs, other factors such as personal fulfillment, recognition, and passion for the work also drive people to put in their best effort. 6. Which is more important, competition or cooperation? Both competition and working together are important in different situations. Competition can motivate people to do their best, while cooperation helps people work together as a team and understand each other better. It's important to have a mix of both for a happy and peaceful community. 7. Why do teenagers need to set goals? Teenagers need to set goals to have direction and purpose in their lives. Goal setting helps them focus their efforts, develop self-discipline, and work towards achieving their dreams and aspirations. 8. What will encourage children to learn more? Children are encouraged to learn more when they are praised for their efforts, engaged in interesting and interactive lessons, and given opportunities to explore their interests and passions. Positive reinforcement and a supportive learning environment are key factors in encouraging children to learn. 9. Do parents and teachers punish children nowadays? Punishment is not the preferred method of discipline for parents and teachers nowadays. Instead, they focus on positive reinforcement, constructive feedback, and teaching children the consequences of their actions. Punishment is used sparingly and as a last resort. 10. Who do you think has a greater influence on the goal setting of children, teachers or parents? Both teachers and parents have significant influences on the goal setting of children. Teachers guide students academically and help them set educational goals, while parents provide support, encouragement, and guidance in setting personal and extracurricular goals. It's a collaborative effort between the two to help children achieve their full potential. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe our channel for more videos.